Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're focusing on an essential accessory for your Alesis Command Mesh Head electronic drum set, the 6-foot USB cable data sync cord. This DD brand cable is a brand new, high-quality replacement designed for seamless connection and reliable data transfer, crucial for any musician or producer. It features standard USB 2.0 Type A male to Type B male connectors, perfectly linking your Alesis drum module to your computer for firmware updates, MIDI recording, or software integration. The 6-foot length provides practical flexibility in your setup. Its small size also makes it easy to carry, fitting effortlessly into a gig bag, an advantage for drummers on the move. Despite its compact nature, it promises high-quality performance, vital for maintaining signal integrity and preventing data loss. Where this cable truly excels is its commitment to safety. Manufactured with high-quality materials, it incorporates smart features to safeguard against incorrect voltage, short circuits.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.